What is up, everybody? How's it going? So I got some items from 4Runner Lifestyle up in Utah. So these are 3rd and 4th gen key fob cases. I already got one installed right here. Made by AJT Designs. They are pretty nice. It does have the panic button on the back as well. So what you do to install these is here is the old fob for Ruby, which is the 2007 4th gen Toyota 4Runner 4.7 liter V8 Sport Edition with the salsa red paint that I'm doing the grill on in previous videos. So we're going to take the guts out of this case, and then we're going to just throw the case away, or we're going to put the case in, you know, the truck, just in case we need to reuse this case in the future. So pop the case off. Okay. And then you take and remove this piece of rubber. Get it out. There we go. So the chip sits in this little rubber housing right here. Okay. And then the buttons. Pop it out. There's the button pack with its little attachments. And we're going to take, this one's for Ruby. Ruby is a red truck, so I'm going to use the red key fob case. Comes with a sticker, a little instruction booklet, AJT Designs, made in the USA, which is awesome. And this order, I got a free 4Runner Lifestyle patch, which is pretty neat. Comes with a little instruction guide information, and then a pack of screws, and a 7/64 Allen key. There's the screws. The case is not screwed together. It just pops out. This does have the panic button, like I said. Try to focus. There's the panic button right there. It does have stamped AJT Designs on it. There we go. It's kind of hard to see. We're going to take our button pack, and we're going to put it in here. Boop, like that. We're going to take our fob piece, and we're going to put it in a little groove. These cases only work with factory Toyota key fobs, just so you guys know. Pop it in there. Put the case on. Flip it over. Put the little screws in. And this is made of ABS, not ABS, but it's made of polycarbonate plastic with 30% glass fiber reinforcement, I believe. You can get them in multiple colors. You get them in blue, red, that green, coyote. This is for my 97 Limited, I call Beast. That is my King of Hammers and Moab rig. Thread these in. Like so. There's one other nice thing about these cases, and the reason I got 3 is I need 3 more. So I have 6 4Runners. I have 96, 97, 99, 2000. I have 2 2000s. Oh, no. I have a 97, a 2000 SR5 Millennium Silver, 2000 Limited 4x4, a 2002, and a 4th gen. So I have 6 total, yeah. So 97, 2000 SR5, 2000 Limited, 97's a Limited. I have a 2001 and a 2002, and then I have a 2007. That's 6. So I need to get 3 more. And then I need to buy 6 more. So my wife has them too. But just snug them up real quick. Kind of got off topic. Nice thing about these cases is that you can remove these 4 screws, pop this back cover off without it interfering with a keyring. So here's a keyring. The keyring doesn't go through the back cover like it does on the Toyota ones. See how it has the 2 wings for the keyring? So you actually, in order to pop these apart, you have to take it off or split them apart weirdly. Nice thing about these though, now it's on the keyring, and if you look, this heavy duty mount right here, the cover actually doesn't interfere with that. So you can actually take this cover off. Just unscrew the 4 screws, pop the back cover off, pop a new battery in it, and you're good to go. So let's just have a quick little video on how to install the AJT Designs Made in USA 3rd, 4th, and depending on some 5th gens, as well as these key fobs are known to be used for Toyota for Camrys, Corollas, RAV4s, Highlanders, everything ranging from the 90s all the way up to, I believe, like 2009 or 2010 for some other vehicles. But just a quick video. You can always just take this case, pop it back together, throw it in the truck, and leave it in, the glove box or whatever in case, one of the other cases breaks or whatever. And you got a nice fancy case. And this is the reason I'm doing this is because I have tons and tons and tons. I got these 2 here, and I got these 2 here as well. So I've 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6th one, Beast doesn't have a key fob because I lost it on an off-road trip. So there's 5 key fobs here. So you can just see I technically need a couple more. But so it's very nice. Now it's color coded. So this is the 2000 SR5. This one is the 2007 Sport Edition. And then, this one is for Beast when I get another key fob for him. And then, so on. But that's it, guys. Just a quick video. Go check out 4runnerlifestyle.com if you guys want to go check them out to get key fobs and all kinds of other things. I have some Mole sun visor Mole panels showing up, as well as back seat Mole panels, back window Mole panels, and a few other things. So got lots of goodies coming for the YouTube channel, as well as TikTok and Instagram, Facebook, and all the social medias. Thank you guys for watching, and hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time. Just remember, these fobs cases only work for factory Toyota fobs. They will not fit aftermarket fobs.